This is 2014, the Pathfinder. Okay, changing the front strut, the whole set. Okay, they have three. 1, 2, and in here, there's another one, 3. The 13 millimeter, all right? And this under here, the strut, this is to the bottom of the strut, this is 21 millimeter. And that's the sway bar link. You gotta lose this also first, 19 millimeter, okay? This is 19, these two are 21, and move this brake fluid hose out of the way and the sensor cable out of the way first. Then you lose this, you lose the sway bar, and don't take it out, all right? Wait until you lose the top 3. And also, meantime, you gotta lose the, what's a big boy, 32 millimeter, the axle nut, okay? So you can pull this, break this out of the way so you can move the strut. And the funny part, the new strut bolt, actually, the new one is 12 millimeter on the top, all right? But no big deal. That's it, just install the same way. Just install from the top, 3 bolt. You don't have to tighten it all the way. And then the bottom, you just wiggle it in. Simple as that, okay? It's a quick job if you know how to, what to do first, okay? That's it, quick and easy, all right?